Okay, hey everybody. This is the follow-up video for the initial experiment that we did with heat transfer and phase change. So in thinking about how heat can influence the phase change of water, let's go ahead and talk about why it did what it did. So when the gas coming from the steamer hits this cold surface, you have an instant heat transfer from the warm gaseous state of water into the surface of this jar. So when it does that, the steam, holding all kinds of energy and moving around really fast, hits this jar, loses its energy, and sticks right to the surface. Now when it does that, it's able to sort of latch onto this wet erase and allow it to erase. Whereas over here, on the hot jar, you'll notice that it's holding its shape and it didn't erase at all. And I mean, I could scrub on this and it's not going anywhere. Now the reason why it doesn't erase over on this side is because that gaseous state of water is moving really, really fast, touches the surface of this hot jar, and it doesn't lose as much energy as it does here. And so much to the point where it stays in the gaseous state. And we use the analogy just like in Mario Kart, where Mario's kart hits the little arrow that's sort of rainbow colored and he gets sort of a turbo boost. It's somewhat similar to this, where the gaseous water hits this surface and is able to keep its energy enough to stay in the gaseous state. And therefore it doesn't stick to the surface, it just sort of goes by it. Again, over here, doesn't lose the energy, hits it, rolls off it. This one, it hits it, loses all that heat energy, and instantly changes from a gas back into a liquid, causing it to beat up and make this gross mess on my fingers.